Buongiorno, Riverview. Today is Wednesday, March 7th, and we're on a day 2 schedule. Mr. O'Malley filling in real quick for today. Congratulations to Preston Proctor on qualifying for the PMEA All-State Chorus. He will be traveling to Lancaster next month to sing with nearly 200 other high school students from around Pennsylvania. Congratulations, Preston. If you're looking for some job opportunities, Longview Country Club has some. Longview Club is a premier golf course along with a world-class, one-of-a-kind clubhouse. They are looking for students who will be interested in the hospitality field. Longview has many benefits for their employees that include competitive wages, free meals, free parking, and uniforms. Longview has scholarship opportunities available to any employee who works 2 full seasons. Longview has many jobs available that include a la carte and banquet servers, food runners, bartenders, pool snack shop, lifeguards, and many more. So if you're interested, stop by the guidance office. Attention all 8th grade boys that are interested in playing baseball. There's a meeting after school on Wednesday, March 7th. That's today in the library. So if you're an 8th grade boy interested in playing baseball this summer, it's a meeting in the library today. In junior high news, Miss DeLuca's homeroom won the Crazy Sock competition and has moved into first place overall for the junior high standings. Mrs. Everett's homeroom has moved to second place, with Mr. O'Malley's homeroom in third place for overall points. Mr. Beal's homeroom came in second place in the Crazy Sock competition, followed by Miss Morgan's homeroom in third. So keep it up, junior high students. It's been a while. Why don't we pause for a commercial break to see what those crazy RVTV students are up to now. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. This is what you've come up with in 30 minutes. Got it. Boom. 'Why didn't I think of that? Let's turn to some scholarship news. The S&T Bank Smart Start Scholarship. Applicants must have a checking and student account with S&T Bank, and there are 4 $2,500 scholarships being offered. The deadline is March 31st for that. The 2018 Riverside Women's Association Scholarship, we've announced this a few times. The applicant must be female, living in the Twin Boroughs, and the deadline for that scholarship is Friday, March 23rd. There's a college visit, not a scholarship opportunity, but a college visit, Friday, March 16th to Westminster College. Visit Westminster College for a School of Education Student Day. It's from 9 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. with a complimentary lunch. So if you're interested in visiting Westminster College, please stop by guidance for more information. Another scholarship opportunity, the American Association of Drilling Engineers. The applicant must have a GPA of 3.5 or above and be enrolled in an accredited college in Pennsylvania, Ohio, or West Virginia. 20 $1,000 scholarships will be offered. The deadline for that is April 15th. And there's another scholarship, the PSCA High School Student Scholarship. The applicant must submit a 500-word essay on a school counselor. One $1,000 scholarship is available, and the deadline is March 16th. So juniors and seniors, lots of college scholarships out there and free money, so make sure you take advantage of that. That's all for today's news and announcements. Mr. O'Malley sitting in for Will and Shoop. Please remember to stand for the pledge and have a great day.